Hi everyone, welcome to today's video entitled Unveiling the Secrets of Affiliate Marketing. If you're a rising affiliate marketer, this video is for you because I'll be sharing a beginner's guide to affiliate marketing and I will reveal some secrets that will help you succeed in this industry. My name is Sam Chidebere, and I am the anchor of this channel, Smart Affiliates, where I provide you with the latest tips, tricks, and strategies for successful affiliate marketing. If you are new to this channel, my cap is up for you. To my subscribers and regular visitors to my channel, thank you for having faith in me. To the newcomers, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you derive value from it. Encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Let's get started. Understanding affiliate marketing. First, let's start with the basics. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. This could happen online or in the brick and mortar business. As long as you have helped someone else sell his products or services, you are compensated with a cut of the sale for your efforts. Secret number 1: identifying your niche. The first secret is to identify your niche. A niche is like a map that will guide you into the forest of affiliate marketing. If you're wondering how you go about choosing a niche, I've already treated this topic in my previous videos. I'll leave the video link in the description below. Choosing a specific niche will help you focus your efforts on a particular audience and products. For example, if you are interested in beauty products, you might focus on promoting skincare products or makeup. Secret number 2: choosing the right affiliate program. The second secret to succeeding in affiliate marketing is choosing the right affiliate program. Look for programs that offer high commission rates, quality products, and good support for affiliates. You need to research deeply to find affiliate programs or networks that fit into your business goals, as not all of them possess all the qualities mentioned here. Some popular affiliate programs you may consider include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliates, JVZoo, and Shares and Sell. I may leave some of the affiliate links to these networks in the description below. Number 3 secrets to succeeding online in affiliate marketing business is building your audience. The third secret is to build your audience. If you don't have any audience or an audience, then you don't have a business. You need an audience to promote your affiliate marketing products to. And there are many ways to do this, which include blogging, social media, and email marketing. For example, you might create a beauty blog and promote your affiliate products through your blog posts and social media channels. The next secret to successful affiliate marketing is creating high quality content. The first secret to successful affiliate marketing is to create high quality content. Your content should be engaging, informative, and valuable to your audience. This can include blog posts, videos such as the one you are watching right now, social media posts, and emails. For example, you might create a video tutorial on how to use a particular product or write a review of a product you are promoting. You should use multiple channels to reach your audience. A blend of blog posts, videos, social media, and emails will do. The next secret is promoting your affiliate products. The fifth secret to successful affiliate marketing is to promote your affiliate products. There are many ways to promote your affiliate products, including creating product reviews, writing blog posts, running social media ads or campaigns, and sending email newsletters. For instance, you might create a product review video and share it on your social media channels, or write a blog post about the benefits of a product you are promoting. The next secret to successful affiliate marketing is tracking your results. The final secret is to track your results. Not tracking your results is akin to a farmer who keeps scattering his seeds on his farm without ever looking back to see if the previous ones he had planted earlier have germinated. Use analytic tools to track your clicks, conversions, and earnings. They can help you understand what is working and what is not, so that you can adjust your strategies accordingly. For example, you might use Google Analytics to track the traffic and conversions from your blog posts or social media ads. Wrapping it up, those are my secrets to affiliate marketing success. About 5 secrets or 6 you have heard. Remember, affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and mindset, you can become a successful affiliate marketer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification for future great videos. Thank you.